In this video, I will be giving a constructive critique to this photo of this girl. She's looking down at a picture that is pulled up on her phone. This could possibly be some type of social media website of another girl. The girl in the photo looks very posed. She looks like she could be on a cover of a magazine. Her hair is very luscious, and it's hard to tell from this far, but it almost looks like she has a pouty face on. She definitely does not have a smile on her face. This pouty face that she has is kind of like what the models usually do. Social media is a huge presence in our life today. Everywhere you look, you see beautiful faces and skinny bodies posted all over social media. Since social media is a huge presence, everyone thinks that they have to look like these girls. It is hard to keep yourself from thinking that you have to look exactly like them to be beautiful, or for you to think that other people think. If you don't look like them, then you aren't pretty. There's a good theme going on in these set of pictures. Some of them are of this girl running, maybe trying to burn calories. Others are just of her working out, trying to look like those pretty and skinny girls you see on social media. One picture of this girl is of her in the locker room. She has her head in her hands, and she looks disappointed in herself. Another picture she took is of the side of her belly. You can tell that this girl is not working out to stay in shape or for her cardio health, but to feel better to look more like these other girls. There's another picture that the girl's head is in the toilet. This portrays the eating disorder bulimia, which is an emotional disorder involving distortion of the body image and obsessive desire to lose weight, in which bouts of extreme overeating are followed by depression and self-induced vomiting, purging, or fasting. There's also a series of pictures of her opening the fridge to look for something to eat, but then ends up closing the fridge empty-handed. It was not because there was no food in the fridge to eat. It is hard to try and to compare to some of these girls on social media, making a lot of young girls looking through social media end up with an eating disorder like bulimia, like this girl. We need to call attention to these eating disorders and these social media because it is affecting so many girls. It is unrealistic expectations for young girls these days. Why is it unrealistic? Because of all of the Photoshop going on, making everything look flawless. We all need flaws. That is what makes us who we are, and I wish young girls, and even boys, would learn this and know this and love themselves the way that they were made.